Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. Explain the concept of emissivity and absorptivity in the context of thermoradiation. Additionally, what is Kirchhoff's law of radiation state? Alright, summary. Emissivity is the ratio of radiation emitted by the surface of the radiation emitted by the black body at the same temperature. Absorptivity is the fraction of radiation incident on a surface that is absorbed by the surface. Kirchhoff's law of radiation is when emissivity and absorptivity of the surface are equal at the same temperature and wavelength. Okay, let's go to the deeper explanation. I feel like those were just words and it didn't really make too much sense. So emissivity refers to effectively the surface emits thermoradiation compared to an ideal black body at the same temperature. Absorptivity, on the other hand, measures the proportion of incoming radiation that a surface absorbs. Okay, so breaking that down, emissivity is where it has the radiation that is sent out, and absorptivity is the one that has radiation coming in. So the names kind of give you a clue. So emit, so it sends out, absorb, and it takes in. Okay, according to Kirchhoff's law of thermoradiation, for any material in thermal equilibrium, the ability to emit radiation, emissivity, is equal to the ability to absorb the radiation, absorptivity, at a given temperature and wavelength. Okay, so they're just balancing out the emission and absorption of radiation. That's basically what Kirchhoff's law of thermoradiation is. Alright, thanks for watching. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow these instructions. Click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on the video option. Click on New. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown. Hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends, because this is a made-up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.